Hi guys, I'm Cody Jay and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today's video is going to be completely different than anything you've seen on my channel thus far. So today we're going to be doing the voiceover challenge kind of thing. I've seen it go around a little bit here and there where people have other people or family members, friends, whatever it may be, do their voiceovers for a makeup tutorial. So that's exactly what I'm doing today. And today I'm having my straight guy friend do my voiceover. Now, why do I think this is such a great video concept? Because if you ask gay people or like your family and friends to do it, typically they probably know stuff about makeup. But how many completely straight men know anything about makeup? Not many. So today, after this little intro, you're not gonna hear me talk at all. You're just gonna hear a voiceover, and we're both going to hope and pray that it goes well, and it's probably gonna be a mess, so enjoy. So real quick before I get started, I'm just going to plug everything real quick in case someone forgets to do it later. So if you'd like to follow me on my social media, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and TikTok, all at Cody Jay Artistry. And if you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below. Click the big red subscribe button to join my YouTube family, and let's get started.
Hey, what's up, bros? I'm going to be doing some makeup today. Here's my shiny black stuff. These are eyebrows. Now I'm going to take my cool pink thing, go underneath my eyebrows, while I hold my flashy star mirror I got. Oh, look at those eyebrows. Yeah. Now I'm going to take this stuff, put it on my hand, very gently. I'm going to apply under my eyebrow for some hell of a reason. And then I'm going to start looking like a clown. Here we go. This is how you put clown makeup on, ladies and gentlemen. Perfect. Now I'm going to take this pink thing and shake it on my forehead. And then I'm going to do that too. It looks perfect. Now I look like I have raccoon eyes. Now I'm going to take some of this shit, rub it together, put it in my hands. Whoop. Don't forget the forehead. Look at this fabulous product. Now I'm going to put some pea green on my face. Let's not forget the forehead. That's amazing. Now I'm going to put some of this stuff on. And very gently, here we go again, underneath my eyeballs. I have no idea what I'm doing right now. Don't forget the nose, don't forget the tip. A little bit on the chin. Yeah. Perfect. Now I'm going to take my pink shit, rub it in. There we go, I'm rubbing it in. Don't get in your eyeball. Now I'm going to take this pink container, open it up like a jar. I want to smell it for some reason. Now I'm going to put it underneath my eyeball again. I don't know what it is with my eyeballs and this makeup stuff. Now I'm going to put it on my forehead. Now I'm going to take this stuff, HD something, use this feathers from a poor innocent animal. I rub it on my face in circular motion. Don't forget the cheeks. Don't forget the beard. Yep. Now, don't forget the forehead. Don't get in your hair now. Don't even want to know you're wearing makeup or anything as a dude. Now, you take this palette, I think it's called, and let's put it along my nose on the crack for some reason. Now, don't forget the middle of your nose. Now I'm going to take my pink thing and smear it in. Now I'm going to open up this other thing. Use my poor innocent animal's feathers again. Smear it in. Oh, look, this looks fabulous. Now I'm going to take this pink spray can, spray it all over my face. It's probably Lysol for coronavirus. Helps protect that. Now I'm going to take this white circle thing. And here we go again with some more eyes. Don't forget the tip of the nose. I look fabulous, everyone, fabulous. Now I'm going to take this little tube of stuff, get my pink thing back out, and I'm going for the eyeball again. I'm going to pop it in there. Now I'm taking this rainbow looking thing, looks like a paint palette, and I'm going to put some green on my eyeball. Looks like a leprechaun, St. Patrick's Day or something is going on here. Now I'm going to take this neon yellow green, put it on my eyeball, and I don't know what's going on here, but I'm just going to put it all over my eyeball. Now I'm going to take this other animal feathers and smear it all in. Now it looks like a leprechaun just cropped on my eyelids. Yep, a little bit of dab here, a little bit of dab there. I'll take my black stuff again. I'm going to put it on my hand. Yep, that's a brush. And I'm going to try to not get in my eyeball the best I can. Dab here, dab there. And a little bit higher. Yep, there you go. Yep, go ahead, just stick that thing in your eyeball. Yep, just rub it in, rub it in, rub it in. Now it looks like it's not egg over my eye. Now I'm going to take my palette again, get another color. And I'm just going to slowly rub it in. Now I'm getting more of the colors. Going to blend it in. Don't I look fabulous? Now I'm going to take this other animal pointing thing, put it under my eyeball. Now I'm going to get this neon green looking thing. Yep, just stab yourself in the eyeball. There you go. Just stick it in there. Yep, just apply it. Yep, just go around the bottom of your eyeball. I don't know what you're doing, but looks good. Now I'm going to take this pink stuff. I'm going to put it on my eyelashes. I think he stole that out of my sister's room. And now I'm going to put some fake eyelashes on because my eyelashes are not big enough for this. And some other weird stuff. And now I'm going to use this contraption to put my eyebrow on my eyes. Don't forget to blow. Blow, blow, blow. Everyone likes a good blow. And now I'm going to take this contraption and stick this thing onto my eyelid. Gently press, press, press. Fabulous, fabulous. Look at this, yeah. One more blink. Now we use this palette again. I'm going to go in the crease of my eyeball. I don't know what it is with my eyeballs. And crease. Yep, a little bit there. A little bit there. Fabulous. Yeah, fabulous. Now take some of this shit. I'm going to put it on my lips. Yep, don't forget those lips. Money makers there. And just apply it some more. And don't forget the top lip. You gotta get it all. There you go. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Now I'm going to spray some more coronavirus protection on my face. And yeah, I look fabulous. Kiss, kiss, kiss.